Hey everybody, welcome to week 4, your last week of Man 1021. All right, so this week, this is your week 4 coursework review. We're going to be reading chapters 14, 15, 16, and 17. Chapter 14 is on leadership. Chapter 15 is effective groups and teams. Chapter 16 will be talking about promoting effective communication, which is one of my favorite subjects because I think communication is um, one of the problems that we have in business and throughout the world. A lot of people talking, not a lot of people listening, and so effective communication is not happening. Anyway, chapter 17 we'll be looking at managing conflict, politics, and negotiation. All right, so again, we have another discussion topic on Tom's shoes. Uh, Make sure you answer the questions. How would you describe Blake McCoskey's leadership style? Would you say that he's a charismatic leader, and why? What sources of power does he have? And then how does he motivate his followers? Um, let's see what I said about that. For the discussion questions, make sure that when you answer the questions, you're going back and relating your weekly reading to this. I mean, they're asking about leadership style. This week we're going to be talking and reading about leadership. So make sure you go back and look at the different styles. Don't make things up. You can still think outside the box, but apply it to the reading so that I know that you understand or you understood the reading for the week. Um, Make sure that if you provide a reference, you're providing a corresponding in-text citation. A lot of you are providing the references with no in-text citation. And if you provide 2 references, you should have at least 2 in-text citation. Not limited to, but at least 2 in-text citation. One for the first reference and one for the second reference. Again, if you're having problems with that, let me know so I can help you out. All right, moving on. Your final paper is due this week. If you have not started it, you're way beyond the 8 ball. It is due on Wednesday. For the final paper, you must have it in by Wednesday at 11:59. There will be no extensions. You can submit it late, but for every day past Wednesday will result in 5 points per day. Read the instructions. Make sure that you cover all the topics that are listed right through here. Read the instructions. Make sure you understand the instructions. If you're not understanding what they're asking or you just need clarification, contact me and I will give you a call and we will discuss. Make sure that as per APA, you are submitting it in a Word document. You will lose points for that if you do not. Some of you saw that in the week 3 case study. There should be a separate title page. You should have one of the approved fonts in APA. If you're not sure what those fonts are, let me know and I will help you with that and the pitch that goes with the font. That it's double spaced, that you have a separate reference page. And again, make sure that your references have corresponding in-text citations. So make sure that that is submitted by Wednesday at 11:59. And then you have your final exam, which is due on Sunday by 11:59, and it will cover chapters 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. It is an open book, so make sure you take the time to read the question. Make sure that you understand the question. You look at all the choices in the answers, and then make the best choice that you think. Take time to look at the question and the answers, but don't spend too much time on any one question. If you don't know the answer, move on to the next, come back to that. You have 2 hours to take it, at which time, if you go to 2 hours, it will automatically save and submit it for grading. And then you have your post test. This is a required test. This is the same test that you took for pre-test. And what it will do is it'll allow me to measure how much you've retained over the 4 weeks compared to what you knew at the beginning. So make sure you take time with this. This is 5% of your grade. All right, so that's pretty much it. I know it sounds like it is a lot. So if you're having any problems, please contact me and I can help you out. Have a good week.